Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But hold on, before you scroll away, picture this. You open 99 in the forest, type in a secret code, and within seconds, free diamonds magically appear in your account. Sounds unreal, right? Well, it's 100% real. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. All right, let's dive right in. First, open 99 in the forest on your device and go straight to the currency shop. There you'll spot a small box where you can enter special redeem codes. This is the secret spot where all your free rewards are hiding, waiting to be unlocked. Now let's test one of the latest working codes together. Type this one, After Party. Check it out, it works perfectly. Your free diamonds will appear instantly in your account. That's how fast and easy it is to grab rewards in 99 in the forest. But here's an important tip. Not all codes last forever. Some are already expired and won't give any rewards anymore. For example, codes like Forest 99 or Diamond Tree are no longer active. So always make sure you're using the latest codes to claim your rewards on time. Here's a special tip just for you. If a code doesn't work, don't worry at all. Just drop your in-game username in the comments below this video. I'll personally select a few lucky players and send them exclusive in-game gifts as a thank you for supporting the channel. But here's the deal. The giveaway will only start once this video hits 1,000 likes. So if you want to join, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and drop your username in the comments for a chance to win. The faster we reach 1,000 likes, the faster I'll start sending out rewards. That's it for today's video. Go ahead, try out all the working codes, claim your free diamonds, and enjoy the game to the fullest. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more exclusive code updates, secret tricks, and pro tips in 99 in the forest. See you all in the next one. And good luck, adventurers.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.